Hey guys, if ChatGPT is having trouble generating images and your images get stuck on processing, show an error, or don't appear in the chat, here's how you can fix it. There are a few things we can try. First, when you generate an image, sometimes ChatGPT actually creates it, but the image doesn't appear in the conversation and you may see a processing error. If that happens, in the top left corner, select Images. Then go to My Images and give it a moment to load. You may find your generated image there. If the image isn't showing in My Images either, the problem may be with the image generation itself. In that case, click your name in the bottom left corner and open Settings. Next, select Personalization and scroll down to Memory. Click Manage, then you can delete individual memories using the three-dot menu next to them. If you don't need your saved memories, you can also use the three-dot menu in the top right corner to delete all memories. This essentially resets ChatGPT's saved memory and may help resolve the image generation problem. If the issue continues, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. Also, if you're using a VPN, try turning it off and then generate the image again. Finally, try using ChatGPT on a different platform. For example, if you're using the web version, try the mobile app, or switch from the mobile app to the web version. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.